Good morning students. Today we will study class 7 chapter number 4 and exercise 4D. Exercise 4D. In our last class we have completed up to question number 3. Now we will talk about question number 4. The question number 4 in this exercise is given: subtract the sum of 36 upon 11 and 49 upon 22 from the sum of 33 upon 8 and minus 19 upon 4. It is given. What we have to do: subtract the sum of 36 upon 11 and 49 upon 22 from the sum of 33 upon 8 and minus 19 upon 4. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू. हमें क्या करना है? इन दोनों को प्लस करना है, इनको भी प्लस करना है. आफ्टर दैट जो भी आंसर आता है उसको हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू: माइनस 36 अपॉन 11 प्लस 49 अपॉन 22. टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 11 and 22. 11 and 22 LCM would be 22. Okay, 11 to the 22, 2 multiply by 36, it would be minus 72 plus 49. Your answer would be minus 23 upon 2 upon 22. जब आप इन दोनों को प्लस माइनस माइनस करेंगे, minus 23 upon 22. Now 33 upon 8 and 19 upon 4. Same you have to do. 33 upon 8 plus minus 19 upon 4. Take the LCM of 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4 will be 8. Here 33 plus 19 to the 38 minus 38. After that 33 minus 38 upon 8. Okay, minus जब आप करेंगे 33 और 38 and 33, it would be your minus 5 upon 8. एक आया है आपका minus 23 upon 22, दूसरा आया है minus 5 upon 8. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract this and this. Okay, हमें अब इन दोनों को माइनस करना है. minus 5 upon 8. After that minus 23 upon 23 upon 22. Okay, after that it will be I am rubbing this one, you can see, minus 5 upon 8 minus 23 upon 22. It will be minus 5 upon 8 minus and minus plus 23 upon 22. Now take the LCM of 8 and 22. When you are taking the LCM of 8 and 22, it will be your 88. 88 after the 11. 11 5 the 55 minus 55 plus 22 and 88 will be 11 to the 22. 11 8 the 88. 4 times after 4 times 4 3 the 12 and 4 to the 8. It will be 92. Plus minus minus 55 minus 92 will be your 37 upon 88 will be your answer. This is your answer. 37 upon 88 is your answer. Okay. Now question number 4 I have explained. Question number 5 same as it is. Question number 5 is little bit different. The sum of two rational number is. Let me explain you question number 5 also. Question number 5 is given here. The sum of two rational number is 4 upon 21. दो rational number का sum दे रखा है 4 upon 21. If one of them is 5 upon 7, if one of them is 5 upon 7, find the other. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें दूसरा rational number find करना है. So solution will be let the other number be x. हमने एक नंबर को x मान लिया है. अब क्या करेंगे? 5 upon 7 plus x equals to 4 upon 21. Okay, now x equals to 4 upon 21 minus 5 upon 7. Take the LCM of 21 and 7. It will be your 21 LCM. Now 4 minus 15. Answer would be 4 minus 15, it will be a 11. X equals to minus 11 upon 21 is your answer in fifth question. Now sixth, seventh, eighth is same question. आपको क्या करना है? Exercise homework I am mentioning here. Homework will be your exercise 4D. 4D question number 6, 7, 8. Question number 6, 7, 8. You have to do. Now I am explaining you question number 9. Question number 9 is, in this exercise, question number 9 is given. What should be added? In question number 9 it is given what should be added to minus 3 upon 8 to get 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12. Question mark is given here. What should be added to minus 3 upon 8 to get 5 upon 12. Now solution will be your let the number be x. हमने एक नंबर को x मान लिया है. minus 3 upon 8 plus x equals to 5 upon 12. Same process you have to do. X equals to 5 upon 12 minus 3 upon 8. Okay. अब क्या करना है? एलसीएम लेना है 12 and 8 का. 12 और 8 का एलसीएम आएगा आपका 24. When you are taking the LCM of 12 and 8, see 12 and 8. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2 and 3 1 are 3. 1 1. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 1 are 8, 8 3 are 24. 24 will be your LCM. 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 5 2 are 10. Minus 8 1 are 8, 8 3 are 24, 3 3 are 9. Minus 9. Now plus minus x equals to 19 upon 24 is your answer. Okay. Now you have to do question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. All questions are same. You have to do nothing in this. Question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. You have to do by your own. Now we will discuss about question number our exercise is completed. We will discuss exercise 4E. In exercise 4E, it is given multiply. Exercise 4E. Exercise 4E, it is given multiply 3 upon 8. First question in this exercise, multiply. Number 1 is given here, 3 upon 4 by 5 upon 7. You have to do nothing in this question. 3 upon 4 multiply by 5 upon 7. Cross multiplication like this. Okay. No, you have to not do a cross multiplication. 3 upon 4 multiply by 5 upon 7 equals to 3 multiply by 5 upon 4 multiply by 7. Multiply 3 from 5 and 4 from 7. 3 5s are 15. 7 4s are 28 is your answer. This is your answer, 15 upon 28 in exercise 4E. Question number 1 part second to, it is given here second to 9. You have to do second to 9 by your own. Now question number second is given. Simplify. Question number second is simplify 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20 multiply 4 upon 5. 3 upon 20 multiply by 4 upon 5. What you have to do? Say first of all in solution write here 3 upon 20 multiply by 4 upon 5. See in the 4 of table 20 is coming. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 4, 5 the 20. Cut it. Okay, 4 1 the 4, 4 5 the 20. Now 3 multiply by 1, 5 multiply by 5. 3 1 the 3, 5 5 the 25. This is your answer, 3 upon 25. In question number second, part second to 6. Question number second, part second to 6. You have to do. Now in question number third, it is given here. In question number third is also given here. Simplify 7 upon 24. 7 upon 24 multiply minus 48. Minus 48. What you have to do? 7 upon 24 multiply minus 48 upon 1. कैंसिल आउट 24 एंड 48. 24 और 48 को हम कैंसिल करेंगे. 24 1 जा 24, 24 2 जा 48. नाउ 7 multiply by minus 2 upon 1 multiply by 11. 7 2 जा 14. It is given, no, it is not 11, it is given here 1. 1 into 1, 7 to the 14 minus 14 upon 1, it will be your answer, will be your minus 14. Okay? In question number 3rd, 2nd to 6th. Question number 3rd, part 2nd to 6th you have to do. After that, in question number 4. Question number 4 is given simplify. Question number 4, part 1 is given simplify 13 upon 8. 13 upon 8 multiply by 12 upon 13. 12 upon 13 plus minus 4 upon 9 multiply minus 3 upon minus 2. What you have to do in this question solution? Write here 13 upon 8 multiply by 12 upon 13 plus minus 4 upon 9 multiply by 3 upon minus 2. Cancel out here all this. 13 1 the 13, 13 1 the 13. Okay. After that 8 1 the 8, 8 2 16, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12. Okay. Same here 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Okay. Now what is left here? 1 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 1 and plus 2 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 1. Multiply all this. 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Now take the LCM of when you are taking the LCM of 2 and 3. जब आप 2 और 3 के LCM लेंगे तो 3 2s are, let me show you here, it will be your 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. LCM लेना है आपको. when you are taking the LCM of 2 and 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 3 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 9 plus 4 will be your 13. 13 upon 6 answer. What you have to do? Question number 4, part 2nd to 4. Part 2nd to 4 you have to do. Now we will discuss about question number 5. Question number 5 is given. Find the cost of 3 raised to 1 upon 3. It is given 3. Question number 5. Find the cost of 3 raised to 1 upon 3 meter of cloth at rupees 40 raised to 1 upon 2 meter. आपको per meter, sorry, it is given here per meter. It is given. Now what you have to do? First of all you have to write here solution. Cost of 1 meter cloth is 40 raised to 1 upon 2 meter. It is given to you. After that, cost of 3 raised to 1 upon 3 meter cloth. 3 raised to 1 upon 3 meter cloth is rupees 40. 1 upon 2 multiply 3 1 upon 2. 40 2 की मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 40 से. 40 2 जा 80. 80 plus 1, 81 upon 2 multiply by 3 2 जा 6 and 1 7. 7 upon 2. Now what you have to do? Multiply 81 into 7 and 2 multiply by 2. 81 को जब आप 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ये आएगा आपका 567 upon 4. When you are dividing this, जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये आएगा रुपीज 141.75. यानी आपकी 3:1 मीटर क्लोथ की जो कॉस्ट निकल के आएगी वो आएगी 141.75. Question number 5 I explained you. Question number 6 you have to do. It is same. Question number 6. It is same question. Now let come to exercise 4E also completed. Come to exercise 4F. In exercise 4F, see. In exercise 4F. In exercise 4F, question number 1 is given. Find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each of the following. You have to, what you have to do here, it is given. Question number 1 is 18. 18 आपको एडिटिव मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करना है और रेसिप्रोकल कन्वर्ट करना है, यानी 1/18 will be your answer. Simply you have to change in this reciprocal, and if there is any minus sign is given, you have to remove the minus sign also. So in exercise 4F, exercise 4F, question number 1, part 2 to 8. Part 2 to 8 is your homework. After that, question number 2 is given here. Simplify. Question number 2 is simplify 4/9. 4/9 divide sign is given here for -5/12. What you have to do? Write here 4/9. Put here multiply sign. Sorry, 12/5. Minus sign will be here in front of your 12. After that, put it here only. Now 4/9 multiply by 12/15. So what you have to do? You have to multiply here. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 4 multiply by 4/3 multiply by -5. 4 4s are 16. 3 5s are 15. Put here minus sign. Answer would be your -16/15. What you have to do? Question number 2 to 8 here. In question number 2, part 2 to 8, you have to do in exercise 4F. Now, third question is given as filling the blanks. Question number 3 is given here. Filling the blanks. It is plus. It is not plus. It is given here. Divide 7/-7/5 equals to 10/19. 10/19. Okay. Minus. It is given here blank. After that, divide -7/5 equals to 10/19. What you have to do here in this question? You have to do -7/5. Put it here, dash equals to 5/-7. Put here multiply sign 10/19. Now you have to multiply this. The 5 into 10, 7 into 19. If it is cancelling here, then you can cancel also. It is not cancelling. 5 10s are 50/19 multiply by -7. You have to multiply from 19 to 9 7s are 63. Carry 6. 7 on the 7. 8 9 10 11 12 13. It will be your 13 here. -50/113 is your answer. In question number 3, question number 2 to 4th, you have to do question number 3, part 2 to 4. Okay. In this question number 3 is completed. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. Divide the sum of. Question number 4 is given here. Divide the sum of 65/12 and 8/3. Question number 4. Divide the sum of 65/12. 65/12 by the sum of 8/3 plus 8/3. Same you have to do. Take the LCM. Divide the sum of and difference. Here I am finding out the sum, means addition. Take the LCM 12 and 13. 12 and 3 का LCM आएगा बेटा 12. After that 12 and 12 65 plus 3 4s are 12. 8 1 8 8 4s are 32. your answer would be 97 upon 12. Now this is sum. Now you have to find the difference. Difference 65 upon 12 minus 8 upon 3. Same here, 12 will be your LCM. 65 minus 32. जब आप 65 minus 32 करेंगे, it will be your 33 upon 12. अब क्या करना है, इन दोनों को आपको डिवाइड करना है. 97 upon 12 divided by 33 upon 12. Now you have to do the reciprocal also here. जब आप इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, 97 upon 12 मल्टीप्लाई 12 upon 13. डिवाइड का साइन हटेगा, मल्टीप्लाई लगेगा, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. 12 1 12, 12 1 12. आंसर विल बी योर 97 upon 33 आंसर. ओके, यू हैव टू डू question number 5, 6, 7. It means that question number up to question number 13. In this exercise, question number 6, 7, I have explained you 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Your exercise 4F will be completed. In our next class, we will discuss about chapter number, our next chapter, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, or we can, it is algebraic expression. Chapter number 5 is your chapter number, sorry, it is not 5, it is 6 in your syllabus. Algebraic expression we will discuss in our next class, and I will provide you the worksheet of this chapter. You have to do. Thank you and have a nice day.